Hi guys, welcome to the Printerie's YouTube channel. I'm so excited for you guys to be joining us today as I take you a tour of the new home of Careless in the Careless complex.
So right now we're here at Careless Studio. We're gonna do their wallpaper. So let's check it out. So we're gonna install the wallpaper in their recording studio. So let's go.
Hello. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, so here we are in the studio. Finally, Careless has its own recording studio to work out of for the first time in the entire history of Careless.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and to learn more about the newest singles and collabs of Careless, please don't forget to follow them in their Instagram page at CarelessPH. This is Jose again from the Printerie, and I'm out.
Thanks for watching! For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages. And stay tuned for our next wall transformation.